Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man.
A lot of fake piano skills in under 30 seconds. Let's go. In the right hand, you're going to play these 3 notes in this order, and you're going to play each note 8 times, just like this. And then the left hand, you're going to start with 7 going down the ladder, just like this.
What you want, girl, let me be the one to hold your hand forever, we be good together.
Oh my god! Wow! There's a song called Rush E. It's very famous and everybody says, oh my god, it's so hard to play. Honestly, I think they're being a bunch of drama queens. Watch how easy this is. Left hand, all you do is play A, C, E, C, and repeat over and over. Then in your right hand, you just play this note 21 times. Being a bunch of drama.
Heheha!